I'm an engineer. I've got a PhD in bioenergy, and I spent my entire professional life developing green technologies and fighting climate change. Then a few years ago, I joined Oxford University as a senior academic, leading 3 laboratories and a team of 28 people. That's a quite large team with lots of meetings. And what was very annoying is we could never ever start in time. And I'm sure you are familiar with this. You book your room, you turn up, and the room is freezing cold, or the opposite, it's very hot. So you waste lots of time looking for a thermostat, looking for a receptionist, or looking for a facilities manager. Then you just give up and you open the windows, even though you know that you are wasting energy. And you would think that in the 21st century, adjusting the temperature is just as easy as using your mobile phone. But the technology was missing. And what was even more shocking is the numbers. 39% of our carbon dioxide emission and energy consumption is coming from our buildings. This is more CO2 than carbon dioxide coming from transport or agriculture. And it's expected to reach 50% by 2030. Our Home Institute alone created 78,000 tons of carbon dioxide last year, while spending more than £12 million on the energy bills. This is a very expensive way of creating pollution. And also, 70% of the heated rooms are actually empty, which means 40% of the energy is wasted. This is a very common problem of education institutes, hotels, hospitals, and office buildings. So we wanted to come up with a solution addressing all these 3 issues of pollution, cost, and wasted energy. And our solution is simple. Stop heating empty rooms. If you have 70% of your rooms empty, we need to find those which are actually in use and provide heating for those areas only. To do that, we created a cloud-based platform that we call EcoSync. EcoSync can synchronize existing building technologies so they can start communicating with each other. We start with the room booking system because these commercial buildings, they already have one with a lot of information on occupancy. Then those areas not in your room booking system, like your private office, shared office, or kitchen corridor area, we just add occupancy detection technology. Now, most occupancy detection technologies, they are hardware-based. You pay a lot for these PIR motion detectors. We don't do that. We use the existing Wi-Fi system of the building. And then, when you integrate these 2 technologies, you get real-time information on occupancy that you can use to preset the temperature of the right rooms by controlling the individual cooling or heating units. Then we hand the control back to the building users in an easy-to-use mobile app form. And when you integrate all these technologies in your building, you get responsive heated zones, and you can save that 40% of energy. And that could be £3 million for a single institute. What about existing products on the market? I'm sure you are familiar with Nest, Tado, Evo Home, smart heating systems developed for domestic buildings. They can integrate these 2 technologies. Others, they can integrate these 2, these 3, but we are the only ones connecting all the dots. What's more, our solution is fully customizable, which means that whatever technology your building already has, we bring in the missing ones and link them together for you. And of course, it's retrofitted. And to do that, we've put together a team of international experts with more than 75 years of technology development experience, including IoT, machine learning, network security, building sustainability, and so on. And what this multi-award-winning team is offering to facilities managers is an external facilities management service with a customizable portfolio package sales covering installation and configuration, followed by a subscription covering annual maintenance and access to our mobile app. And where are we now? We started to work on the technology. UK market is 8.5 billion, huge market, and our technology is easy to scale up outside of the UK. We already provide this solution to student accommodations by testing other markets. It stopped working. So where are we now? We started to work on the technology back in 2016 with the estate services of Oxford University. Shortly after, we secured our first strategic investment that enabled us to pilot our technology and submit our patent. By now, we are managing several locations, including a building from the 15th century, several student accommodation buildings, and a hotel and conference center. We already triggered the interest of large players of the market, and we are aiming to reach 40 subscribers by 2020 with a positive cash flow, and 240 subscribers with 3.9 million revenue by 2022. And together, we are seeking a 500K investment. So finally, I would like to leave you with 3 very good reasons why choosing EcoSync. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them now, or you will find us after this event just outside. Thank you.
Thank you.